Top 16 Scientific Benefits and Uses of Coconut Oil. Coconut oil has gained massive popularity over the years, not just as a cooking oil, but also as a superfood packed with multiple health benefits. Derived from the meat of mature coconuts, this versatile oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Today, it's a staple in many households, praised for its nutritional value, antioxidant properties, and diverse uses. Let's dive into the major health benefits and uses of coconut oil, also why you should consider adding it to your diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Boosts heart health. Contrary to the common belief that all saturated fats are harmful, coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides like lauric acid, which can help improve heart health. Studies suggest that MCTs in coconut oil may increase good HDL cholesterol, while converting bad LDL cholesterol into a less harmful form, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. Including coconut oil in moderation can promote better cardiovascular health and improve your overall lipid profile. Number 2. Aids in weight loss and boosts metabolism. Coconut oil's unique composition of MCTs makes it a powerful metabolism booster. MCTs are metabolized differently from long-chain fatty acids, going straight to the liver, where they are used as an instant energy source, rather than being stored as fat. This can help increase the number of calories you burn, aiding in weight management. Research has shown that consuming MCTs can help reduce body weight and waist circumference, making coconut oil an excellent addition to a weight loss regimen. Number 3. Supports brain function and may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. One of the most intriguing benefits of coconut oil is its potential to improve brain function. The MCTs in coconut oil are quickly converted into ketones, an alternative energy source for the brain. Some studies have suggested that ketones can provide a readily available energy source for brain cells, potentially improving cognitive function in people with Alzheimer's disease and other neurological conditions. Number 4. Antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which has potent antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. When digested, lauric acid forms monolaurin, a compound known to kill harmful pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes coconut oil effective in supporting immune health, fighting infections, and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Number 5. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Coconut oil isn't just for cooking, it's also a powerhouse for skin and hair care. Its natural moisturizing properties make it an excellent choice for hydrating and nourishing the skin. Coconut oil helps to soothe dry skin, reduce eczema symptoms, and can even help in healing wounds due to its antibacterial properties. For hair, it acts as a natural conditioner, combating dryness, reducing frizz, and promoting hair growth by penetrating deep into the hair shafts. Number 6. Improves oral health. Oil pulling with coconut oil is an ancient practice that can improve oral health. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for about 10 to 15 minutes can help remove harmful bacteria, reduce plaque buildup, and prevent bad breath. This simple habit can be an effective addition to your dental hygiene routine, promoting healthier gums and teeth. Number 7. Reduces inflammation and may help in managing arthritis. Coconut oil's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial in reducing inflammation, which is a major factor in many chronic diseases, including arthritis. Consuming coconut oil may help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and provide relief from joint pain. Its natural antioxidants also help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the body. Number 8. Enhancing digestive health and alleviating gastrointestinal issues. Coconut consumption supports digestive processes by facilitating the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, calcium, and magnesium. When ingested alongside omega-3 fatty acids, coconut oil can double their effectiveness, making them more accessible for the body's use and digestion. Studies indicate that coconut oil may enhance bacterial balance and gut health by eliminating harmful bacteria and candida. An imbalance in candida can lead to reduced stomach acid production, resulting in inflammation and poor digestion. Consequently, coconut oil contributes to digestive wellness and may help prevent or treat conditions such as stomach ulcers and ulcerative colitis. Number 9. Promoting skeletal wellness. Osteoporosis is primarily caused by oxidative stress and free radicals. Coconut oil, rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, is considered a prominent natural remedy for osteoporosis. It enhances the absorption of calcium in the intestines. Studies on osteoporosis have shown that coconut oil not only improves bone density and structure, but also reduces bone deterioration associated with the condition. Number 10. Addressing fungal infections. Research published in the Antimicrobial Agents and Chemotherapy Journal revealed that capric and lauric acids found in coconut oil are effective natural treatments for Candida albicans and yeast infections. To successfully combat Candida and treat yeast infections, it's advisable to eliminate processed sugars and refined grains from your diet while increasing your intake of nutritious fats. As a dietary supplement, consume 1 tablespoon of coconut oil 3 times per day. Number 11. Coconut oil's impact on hormonal equilibrium. Coconut oil's benefits extend to hormonal balance. As a rich source of saturated fat, including lauric acid, coconut oil may assist in naturally regulating hormones. Research suggests that coconut oil could be beneficial during menopause and may positively influence estrogen levels. To support natural hormone balance, it's advisable to reduce sugar and grain intake while increasing consumption of healthy fats from sources like coconut, avocado, flax seeds, and ghee. Other coconut products, such as coconut butter and coconut water, can also be incorporated into the diet for additional benefits. Number 12. Potential benefits for gallbladder and pancreatic conditions. Research on animals in the Journal of Animal Sciences indicates that coconut oil's medium-chain fatty acids can be processed without pancreatic enzymes, potentially reducing stress on the pancreas. This versatile oil is also easily digestible, which may alleviate symptoms associated with gallbladder issues. Consider substituting coconut oil for other long-chain fats to potentially support gallbladder and overall health. Number 13. Enhanced energy and stamina. Coconut oil is readily digestible and may provide sustained energy while boosting metabolism. Research suggests that high-quality unrefined coconut oils, MCFAs, are transported directly to the liver for energy conversion. Some endurance athletes incorporate coconut oil into their nutrition plans for extended training sessions and competitions. A simple energy blend can be created by combining equal parts coconut oil, unprocessed honey, and chia seeds. Consume this mixture about 30 minutes before physical activity. Number 14. Cancer prevention and treatment. Coconut oil possesses 2 key attributes that contribute to its cancer-fighting potential. Firstly, it produces ketones, which tumor cells cannot utilize for energy, as they rely on glucose. Secondly, the medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil can break down the lipid walls of bacteria, potentially eliminating Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium associated with increased stomach cancer risk. Additionally, studies indicate that lauric acid, a component of coconut oil, may exhibit anti-cancer properties by inducing anti-proliferation and pro-apoptotic effects. Number 15. UTI and kidney infection treatment and liver protection. Coconut oil has shown promise in alleviating symptoms of urinary tract infections and kidney infections. The MCFAs in the oil act as a natural antibiotic, disrupting bacterial lipid coatings and eliminating them. Research also suggests that coconut oil offers direct protection to the liver from damage. Coconut water aids in hydration and supports the healing process. In some cases, doctors have used coconut water injections to dissolve kidney stones. The numerous health benefits associated with coconut oil demonstrate its status as a nutritionally dense food. Number 16. Rich in nutrients. Coconut oil is a plant-based fat that remains solid at room temperature due to its high saturated fat content. Comprising 100% fat, mainly medium-chain triglycerides, and containing no protein or carbohydrates. As fat has the highest calorie content per gram among macronutrients, coconut oil is very calorie-dense. Most of the vitamins and minerals present in coconuts are not retained during the oil's processing, resulting in minimal nutrients. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil provides 121 calories, 13.5 grams of total fat, and negligible amounts of calcium, choline, vitamin E, and vitamin K, with no protein, carbohydrates, fiber, or sugar. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of coconut oil. Now, let's explore some frequently asked questions about this soothing oil. Question 1. Is coconut oil good for cooking? Yes, coconut oil is popular for cooking because of its high smoke point and stable structure when heated. It's great for sautéing, frying, and baking. Question 2. Is coconut oil suitable for all skin types? Coconut oil can be moisturizing and soothing for many skin types, but it may clog pores in people with acne-prone or oily skin. It's best to test it on a small area first. Question 3. Can coconut oil be used as a hair treatment? Yes, coconut oil is widely used as a natural hair treatment to reduce protein loss, improve moisture, and add shine. It's especially popular for reducing frizz and conditioning dry or damaged hair. Question 4. Is there a difference between virgin and refined coconut oil? Virgin coconut oil is less processed and retains more natural nutrients and flavor, compared to refined coconut oil, which undergoes more processing to remove impurities and has a milder taste. Question 5. Is it okay to have coconut oil every day? While coconut oil can be beneficial, it's important to note that it contains saturated fat, which may raise cholesterol levels. As with all saturated fats, moderation is key. When used medicinally for short periods, coconut oil is generally considered safe. Studies suggest that taking 10 milliliters of coconut oil 2 to 3 times daily for up to 12 weeks appears to be without significant risks. Question 6. Which is more nutritious? Coconut oil or olive oil? Olive oil is considered more nutritious than coconut oil. This is due to its significantly lower saturated fat content and higher nutrient profile. Question 7. Comparing coconut oil and palm oil. Which is preferable? Palm oil is generally considered the better option. It contains approximately 50% saturated fat, whereas coconut oil has around 85%. Question 8. Is coconut oil effective in reducing hair loss? Coconut oil is rich in essential vitamins and minerals that can strengthen hair follicles from the inside out, resulting in softer, stronger, and shinier hair. The high content of lauric acid in coconut oil allows it to deeply penetrate the scalp, potentially helping to reduce hair loss, prevent dryness, and minimize hair breakage. Question 9. Should coconut oil be applied to facial skin? Applying coconut oil to your face is not typically advised due to its highly comedogenic nature. Although it can provide hydration, it's unlikely to prevent acne and may actually contribute to its development. Therefore, using coconut oil as a facial treatment is not recommended for most individuals. Question 10. How to use coconut oil for brain health? Research suggests that medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil may facilitate the release of omega-3 fatty acids from fat deposits, allowing them to be used in the brain, where they are crucial for forming robust memory structures. For optimal benefits, an average-sized adult should consume 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil per day. Question 11. Can we drink coconut oil for hair? Ingesting coconut oil may promote healthier hair growth. This could be particularly noticeable if your diet lacks sufficient natural fats and essential nutrients. Additionally, applying coconut oil as a treatment to your hair and scalp might help eliminate hair lice and their eggs. Question 12. When to take coconut oil, morning or night? The ideal moment to ingest virgin coconut oil varies. Generally, it can be consumed at any point during the day, either as a single serving or in multiple portions throughout the day. For those aiming to shed pounds, it's advisable to take it prior to meals. If constipation is a concern, ingesting it after dinner may be beneficial. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning into Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.